3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you encounter the issue of Google Play services stopping repeatedly, you can resolve it by following a few simple steps. Start by opening your mobile phone settings and navigating to the Apps or App Manager section. Once there, scroll through the list of installed applications and locate the Google Play Store. Open its settings, select the storage option, and click on Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove temporary files without affecting your personal data. After completing this, return to the main app settings, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and choose to uninstall updates for the Google Play Store. Next, locate Google Play services in the same app section, open its storage settings, and repeat the steps to clear cache and data. Again, locate Google Play services through the Google Play Store. Once all these actions are completed, press and hold your device's power button to access the restart or reboot option and restart your phone. This process effectively refreshes both the Google Play Store and Google Play services, resolving the issue and restoring normal functionality.